all. Myself, Dr. Arun from Aerospace Engineering Department. Today, I am going to take one topic from Aircraft Maintenance Engineering subject. So, if the topic name is Aircraft System Overview. So, in that aircraft system overview, so we will elaborately discuss about the primary structures, secondary structures, materials, and what are the forces and the stress it will be acting on the aircraft. So in that first we are going to discuss about the airframe structural system. So in that system, first one is primary structures. So in the what are all the primary structures like fuselage, wings, empennage, landing gears, and flaps, ailerons. These are all the primary structures. So in that materials usage, so generally the aircraft skin, it will be totally aluminum 7075 T6 alloys can be used. Some carbon fiber composites, it will be used in that honeycomb structures. So only 10% of steel and titanium, it will be used in that engine sections. Next topic is flight control surfaces. So in that flight, it will be controlled by the some components like aileron, elevator, rudder, flaps, slats, spoilers. And next one is we will check the stress and fatigue for the aircraft structural components over 9,000 flying cycles. Next one is a propulsion system. So in that propulsion system, it can be classified into based on the engine size. Like many cases, we are using the turbofan engines only. Some of the flight they are using the turbojet. So if I go for the space vehicles, they are using the solid propellant, liquid propellant, and hybrid propellants. Next one is the electrical system. So in that electrical systems, it can be characteristics of four. First one is primary power. So in that primary power, the mainly we will consume the up to 150 watts AC power and 400 hertz frequency. So in that ranges of generator they are using for these cases. Next one is DC conversions. So in that DC conversions, AC transform to DC with the limited voltage around 28 watts. Next one is the distribution, means here the AC power supply, it can be transformed to DC power supply by using the transmitters and buses. And battery, so generally in that aircraft section, they are using the nickel, cadmium, and lithium ion batteries for navigation purpose. Next one is a hydraulic system. So in that hydraulic system, it can be used for the braking, brake and landing gear, retract and receiving this area. So in that cargo doors also, it will be run with the help of hydraulic systems. So here they are using the skydroll fluid for this hydraulic system. So if the pressure is around 3000 psi, and if the bar means around 207 bars. So the mostly this type of hydraulic system, it will be run by the electric pump, reservoir, actuators. Next one is a avionic system. So in that avionic systems, the many cases we are following these cases. First one is communication. So that voice and data, it will be exchanged with these cases. Navigation like GPS, DME, ILS, these are all the navigation tools. It will be used for this aircraft systems. And the next one is flight management system. So here the flight management and the flight planning performance, it will be monitored by this system. Displays that things they are using the EF IS and MFT display. For surveillance purpose, the radar transporter can be used for this cases. And the last one is environmental control system. So in that environmental control system, uh, they are following the air conditioning, radar system, oxygen system, and pressurization. Okay, thank you. So we will catch you on